We'll now walk through the steps for installing an ABB ReliaHome P-Series load center, which fits standard 16-inch on-center wood studs or surface mounts. The enclosure allows for either top or bottom feed. Just rotate it 180 degrees depending on your wiring layout. Before starting, make sure you have the necessary tools shown here. To begin, determine the depth of the finished drywall, then select the appropriate enclosure depth. Enclosures are available in 1/2 inch or 5/8 inch options, and both are labeled. Once you've identified the correct depth, pop out the 4 drywall locating tabs. Next, determine the final mounting height. If your panel includes a main circuit breaker, ensure the handle will not be more than 6 feet 7 inches above the finished floor. With your mounting height established, locate the position for the self-leveling screw by subtracting 1 1/4 inches from the top of the enclosure and aligning it with the center of the stud. The keyhole slot helps level the unit and makes installation easier without a second person. Now secure the enclosure to the stud using wood screws in all 4 mounting holes. Ensure the panel is plumb and fully fastened. All available and compatible accessories are listed and labeled inside the load center for your convenience. You're now ready to wire the main connections and feeder branch circuits before installing the included cover.